You're welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, please do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button, alright, and also click on the notification bell, the bell beside the subscription button, so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, so thank you so much to all my students on Telegram and those that join the membership on YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. All right, so I pray God bless you in Jesus' name. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a carry-all tote bag, very big one. All right, so and let's get into the detail of the video. So the measurements, I'll be using this material is a quality leather material. Okay, so now the main bag is 18 inches by 32 inches. So the wideness is 18 while the length is 32 inches. All right, so and then this is the side. So the side is 6 inches by 13 inches. 6 inches by 13 inches. If you like to know more on how to measure, you can join my Telegram class. It's very cheap. All right, it's just for 10,000 naira, and you get so many videos, explanations on how to measure, and so many other things. And if you also like, if you don't want to join the Telegram class, you can join. You can just join the membership where you see on my channel where they told you to join. So you can just join and choose the package that is okay for you. You see other videos that I'm talking about. All right, so let's get into the detail of this video. So the measurement, like I told you, 6 by 13 for the side, and then the main bag is this, and then these are the handle. So the handle is 25 inches. I'm using this beautiful and strong handle. Okay, so let's get into the detail of the video. So the first thing I will do is I'm going to be sewing like half an inch. Okay, so you can see it's half an inch. So I'm just going to top stitch it. Okay, all right, so you top stitch it. This is the first top stitch. So you top stitch just you also do the same thing to the other side. All right, so the next thing is to fix the handle. Okay, all right, so now for the spacing of the handle, okay, so I'm going to be spacing 5 inches. Okay, so 5 inches, and then that's from this side, I mean the side spacing 5 inches. So this other side too will be 5 inches, while here I'm going to leave it at 2.5. Okay, so this is my 5 inches, and then I'm going to measure 2.5. Okay, so I'm going to top stitch it. Let me be sure. Yes. So I can, first of all, before sewing, I can decide to burn the tip so that it doesn't lose. So do the same thing to all the sides. All right, so I'm going to place it on 5. So this side will be 5, and then from here is 2.5. That's 2.5. So I'll top stitch it. So just make sure you top stitch it and make it to be very strong. Don't just so I'll do the same thing to the other side. So you place it on your mark, okay, on the 5, on the mark. Sorry, for this one, you put, I mean, you take it to this side. Do you understand? So just you can keep measuring. So it's 5 inches. But if you put it like this, it will be less than 5. So you do it this way and top stitch the way I did the other one. So you can always confirm your measurement. Is it up to 2.5? If it's not, increase it. So make sure it's 2.5. All right. So so we'll be using this magnet button. Okay, so get the center of the magnet button. Okay, all right, and this is the center. You measure it from here, measure it from here, and make sure it's the same. So mark it like this, and then use anything to punch. Okay, so I'm using this as my puncher. You punch here, you punch here, let it show from. All right, so now I have my magnet hook, so I'll be doing it from inside like this. Okay, so this is the cover. I'll cover it. Okay, and if it's still strong, it's too strong for you, you can use hammer or you can use your scissors. Okay, so I'll also come to the other one, the other side, I mean, fix this. Do the same thing, use your cover it. All right, so of course you know you can't leave it like this, it's rough, isn't it? So you get this. All right, so you can get this just to cover the magnet hook. So also you punch it, get the closing and then punch. All right, so after you fix it and cover it well and it's looking beautiful, then you do like this. You see, so that's all. So the next thing is for us to fix the side handle. Yes. All right, so now let's top stitch the. All right, so this is for the side, right? Then we're going to fold 13, half an inch. Okay, so now you see that it's half an inch, so you fold it and so. So we've already notched this, right? So join the two together, move it a bit like this, and top stitch it. So, and then I'll also come to this side and complete it. So all I'm doing is I want to sew it round. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Lift your carrier and turn it. All right, so let me show you a simpler way of fixing the middle. Remember, we are done with the other side, right? So let me make it easy for you. So this is the center. I say move it backward a bit, right? And do like this. So I'm going to be using my peg to hold this. Okay, this way. hold this tip as well. Okay, but wait, before holding it, shift it. Okay, all right, so after you've hold the necessary part, you can top stitch like this. And if it will be difficult, let's just follow the right channel, the way we did the other one. Okay, fix it like this. So I decided to do it the other way. I think this is the easiest way for you to do it. So after you zoom here, alright, so we have come to the end of this video. So you can see this, it fits. Alright, so thank you so much. If you're yet to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up. Thank you so much, and you can feel free to share with your friends. Bye for now.